Rosette Faye.
Sir.
Rosette Faye
Nanales po.
Nanales.
Yes, sir.
You are from
Maclean
Maclean.
po.
Maclean.
Yes, sir.
Miss Catherine Galpon.
Sir, nasa labas po.
Nasa labas pa.
Saan po sila?
Pasok niya. Parang hindi tayo ng photo. So that the Miss Paula. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the procurement activities of the Planning Council. Only what? Only what? Miss Marge Mata. Morasa. Alright, we have to leave. We have to leave. By the way, have you already procured the
For tax force, sir, we're planning to buy on Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
What about the other leaders?
Okay.
Leaders. When is that leader? We need today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, or next month, or after the meeting? Magkano ba yung ano natin? Beat the request. Wala ko ba? Alright, before we proceed any further, where's the other attendance sheet? We have narraged first the